Welcome to Exchequer, your organization financial wizards. How to set up Exchequer. How's your organization? Do you want to increase members' financial commitment and provide financial engagement and transparency to all members? Then download and subscribe to Exchequer, available on Apple and Android, and here's how to set it up. 1. Enter organization information, logo, address, Zelle information, etc. 2. On Profile, go to Manage Payment Method and click on Payment Account Setup to create Stripe account. This will allow organization to receive online payment from members. Stripe account is successful with this window. 3. Still on Profile, go to Organization Settings. Enter and save registration fees. Enter and save organization dues and frequency. Enter and save organization beginning balance. Note that this cannot be modified by any member. 4. Next, go to Member Details. Add all members to the organization: name, email, phone number, outstanding amount owed to organization if any. If not, enter 0. Enter today's date as date of joining. Enter organization dues start date. For example, enter January 28th if you want member dues to start in February. Save and send intimation. This will send an email to member to download app. Note that email contains one-time password and link to download member app. Member can change password by going to Profile, Edit Member Profile. Note also that email may be in your junk mail. 5. Still under Profile, organization can add admin users. Manage organization profile. 6. To send minutes of meeting or other message to members, click Message to Member. Choose which member the message is for, or check the box for minutes and messages intended for all members. Members will receive notification on their phones and can reply or send messages back to the organization. 7. To create meeting attendance, click on Manage Meeting under Profile. Click Add Meeting and enter name, description, date, and type of meeting such as emergency, general, etc. Save. 8. To create project, events, and advertisement like wedding or birthdays, go to Project and choose Project, Events, or Advertisement and click Add Sign to create one. Check off the box if donation project and event is mandatory. Check off the box if advertisement is active. Uploads media or photo. Choose Start and End date. Save. 9. Under Payment. This page lists all payment received manually and online. A manual payment. Reveal history of all payment received by organization in cash, Zelle, and checks. Payment will automatically reflect on organization balance once organization creates the entry. Air Online Payment. Reveals and lists history of all payments organization and members makes through debit or credit card. Note that organization can filter for dates to see records of manual and online payments by clicking Change, then pick the dates and Apply on top of page. Note, if members pay directly into organization account through Zelle or Cash App, members must share receipt for confirmation before organization admin can create an entry. Payment will automatically reflect on organization balance. 10. Use Payment Received to create all entry for payment received by organization from members and advance dues. 11. Use Expense and Payment for all expenditure made by organization. Note that organization expenses must be made through its check or other means, and an entry must be created to reflect the expenditure in the app for documentation and account balance reconciliation. 12. When organization receives funds from members in cash or checks, organization must create an entry through Payment Received. Once an entry is created, members will see the payment under Payment History. 13. When organization receives funds from members through Zelle, Cash App, or direct transfer to organization account, member must share the payment confirmation and receipt with organization. Organization must then create an entry through Payment Received. Once an entry is created, members will see the payment under Payment History. 14. Under Reports, organization can access information concerning monthly payment and donations including dues, project and events, a new registration, a total member in organization, a yearly revenue, a total organization balance, The overall organization expenditure. 15. Donation received for project and events breaks down into total amount received for a particular project or event and whose member donates. Note that this can also be filtered by date using Change and Apply. On member application, members will only be granted access to the organization if he or she is added to the organization membership list. Once added, the member will get a one-time welcome email with login information, after which the member can change password. Subsequent organizations will be automatically accessible by members. Members will have access to 1. The number of organizations they belong to if they use the same email addresses. 2. Members can choose an organization, access, and pay. Dues. Upcoming dues. Pending fees such as registration, project, events, outstanding amount, and donation to organization. By simply clicking on the intended project, dues, and then Proceed to Pay button anywhere 24/7, and payment receipt will be saved under Payment History. 3. To access all payment history made to an organization, members simply click Profile and Payment History. 4. Confirmation receipt for all funds paid through Zelle or Cash App must be shared with organization admin to create an entry by going to Profile, Message, and attached screenshot of receipt. Note that all payments made by members through debit/credit card are instantly deposited in organization account and reconciled on the application revenue and balance. 5. To send a message to an organization, simply pick an organization, click on the profile, and send a message. 6. To make advance dues payment, simply pick an organization, click on the profile, and click on Advance Dues Payment. 7. To access detail of donation received for project and events, click on Donation Received for Project, and choose the project or events. Note also that member can also filter for detailed donations for a particular project or event by clicking Change and Apply.